Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply unfollow everyone on TikTok. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, please check whether your TikTok application is updated or not, and if it's not, just do it because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of TikTok. Once you have opened up the TikTok, now I'm going to show you how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok. Get to the profile, and in the freelance icon just tap on it once. A dialog box would appear. Even check on settings and privacy. Now just go towards sport and tap on report a problem. Once you get there, a new page would appear up telling you a lot of things, down which you're going to go into topics and account and profile. In the account and profile, just go in editing profile. That would be in the topic of login, edit profile, and in the editing profile go into other, and just down here write down your problem. So what your problem really is, so you can always go in there and tap in for a problem. I've written all of my problem and you just have to report it. Once you report it, the TikTok team would reach out to you and they will eventually unfollow everyone from your TikTok. So this is how you do it. This is how you remove, unfollow everyone on TikTok. I hope you guys like the video and find it informative. So don't forget, like, comment and share, subscribe the channel of How to Solution. Till next time, peace.